Well, ladies and gentlemen, we hereby welcome Honorable Union Finance Minister Shri P. Chidambaram. Please put your hands together. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. We are honored with your presence. Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome Shri U.K. Sinha, Chairman SEBI. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. I request all the dignitaries to be seated on dais. Your attention, please, ladies and gentlemen. Honorable Union Finance Minister Shri P. Chidambaram, Shri U.K. Sinha, Chairman SEBI, Shri Ravi Narayan, MD and CEO National Stock Exchange, Shri R.M. Malla, CMD IDBI, Shri Sushil Munod, CMD SIDBI. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Ms. Chitra Ramkrishna, Joint Managing Director, National Stock Exchange, Shri V.A. George, President and CEO Tejo Engineering Limited, dignitaries from the Ministry, dignitaries from the SEBI and banks, trading members of National Stock Exchange, listed corporates of NSE, media and press, and ladies and gentlemen. It is a pleasure to welcome you on this momentous occasion of the launch of NSE's SME platform Emerge. Ladies and gentlemen, let's start with a huge round of applause. Going public is the dream of many growing enterprises, and Emerge makes it possible. Emerge, ladies and gentlemen, offers a viable alternate options to entrepreneurs to raise risk capital. Emerge symbolizes the aspirations of a large number of entrepreneurs actively participating in the India growth story and having the potential to unlock value and emerge on a bigger stage. This platform, ladies and gentlemen, will provide investors with exciting opportunities to invest in their growing business. I am sure setting up this platform would have been a challenging and exciting journey. National Stock Exchange has been in the forefront in contributing to improve the environment. As a part of our Go Green initiative, we've planted 25 trees in Rajasthan on behalf of each of the dignitaries on the dais. I now request our chief guest and other dignitaries on the dais to accept the certificates. Honorable Union Finance Minister Shri P. Chidambaram, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. This is a part of our Grow Green initiative wherein we planted 25 trees in Rajasthan. Shri U.K. Sinha, Chairman SEBI, Shri R.M. Malla, CMD IDBI, Shri Sushil Munod, CMD SIDBI, Shri V.A. George, President and CEO Tejo Engineering Limited. Thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, may I call upon Shri Ravi Narayan, MD and CEO National Stock Exchange for his welcome remarks. Sir.
Okay. It's very high. Good morning, Honorable Finance Minister, Mr. Chidambaram, Chairman SEBI, Mr. Sinha, Dr. Kelkar, Mr. Malla, Mr. Munot, my colleague Chitra Ramakrishna, invited dignitaries, members of the NSE, members of the press, may I extend a hearty and warm welcome to all of you. The launch of NSE SME platform Emerge is a very significant milestone, sir, for us at NSE. Our country is a land of 1 million entrepreneurs with high aspirations and innovative business models. Adequate availability of equity capital is a critical requirement to enable these deserving SMEs to fully exploit the opportunities available to them coming out of the sustained economic growth witnessed by India. When we started working on this platform, sir, we were keen that it should become a viable and, more importantly, a sustainable option for India's best emerging businesses for raising capital from informed investors, a place where these businesses grow and demonstrate performance before they migrate to the main board with more widely distributed shareholding. The SME platform should also catalyze the venture capital ecosystem and innovation financing in the country, also as it will provide liquidity and exit to early risk investors in smaller companies. However, our study of the global markets indicated that junior markets are challenging projects at the best of time, and success in these markets is not universal and has only been achieved with a collaborative convergence of a larger ecosystem, including institutions, government regulators, risk investors, and the investment banks. We therefore engaged extensively with this ecosystem in India, including startup and early stage companies, risk investors like angel and venture capital private equity investors, investment banks and SME advisors, and of course national institutions like SIDBI. The first strong message that we received was that the quality and credibility of the initial issuers and secondary trading interest will be key to the long-term success of this platform. Based on the feedback, we have put in place a strong and credible admission process for companies to be listed on Emerge. These processes, including third-party due diligence process, will provide confidence to investors. NSE will also handhold the SME entrepreneurs to move confidently on the road of a public listing and make all possible efforts to reduce the cost of raising capital on this platform. The excellent support of both institutional and retail investors to the first offering on Emerge in an otherwise dull primary market is, I think, a validation of our admission process. Creating trading interest and secondary liquidity is also a top priority, and for that, apart from offering research support to listed companies, we are offering alternate trading options to issuers, which should help in aggregating liquidity and getting focused market attention. Honorable Finance Minister, we are aware that we carry huge responsibility towards the thousands of deserving SMEs who will look at this platform with a great sense of expectation. We also realize that India's efforts at creating an alternative junior platform will be watched keenly by global markets, and its success will be important to establish India as an exciting investment destination. We are determined, sir, to work for the success of the SME platform. I again express my gratitude to you, sir, for taking out time from your extremely busy schedule to be with us today. Your presence has provided immense encouragement to all of us and has helped create excitement and hope in a very large entrepreneurial ecosystem of our great nation. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for your remarks. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we shall have ringing of the gong